This isn't just another smartphone with a camera partnership. This is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Edition, and it's arguably the most camera-like device we've ever seen. While everyone else is fighting over AI pixels, Xiaomi and Leica just put a mechanical, rotating zoom ring on the back of a phone. Is this the peak of mobile photography, or just a very expensive flex? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the master zoom ring. Unlike the standard 17 Ultra, this Leica Edition has a physical, knurled ring around that massive camera island. It's not just for show, it uses a precision mechanical transmission that detects movements as small as 0.03 millimeters. You can map it to change focal length, exposure compensation, or white balance. It feels like clicking a Leica M-series lens into place. The design itself screams M-series. We've got this gorgeous dual-tone finish in black or off-white leather, the iconic red dot, and a frame that's been machined for extra grip. It's thinner than last year at 8.29 millimeters, despite the tech inside. Under that ring is a triple threat system. The main sensor is the 50-megapixel Light Fusion 1050L. It's a 1-inch giant with LOFIC technology, giving it a staggering 4 EeV of dynamic range. Essentially, it handles highlights and shadows like a professional full-frame sensor. But the real star? The 200-megapixel periscope telephoto. This is the first smartphone to get Leica APO certification. That means almost zero color fringing at high zoom. It offers continuous optical zoom from 75mm to 100mm. No digital cropping in between, just pure glass moving to find your shot. And for the macro lovers, it can focus from just 30 centimeters away. The Leica Edition gets exclusive software too. There's a new Leica Moment mode that defaults to a 3.2 aspect ratio. You get color profiles based on the legendary Leica M9, known for that rich, CCD-like look, and a Monopan 50 mode for the best black and white shots you'll ever see from a phone. Plus, a dedicated hardware encryption chip means your high-res masterpieces stay private. Specs-wise, it's a beast. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a massive 16800 mAh silicon carbon battery. It supports 90-watt wired and 50 watts wireless charging. The display is a 6.9-inch flat AMOLED. Yes, they went flat this year, hitting a blinding 3500 nits of peak brightness. It's even got IP69 protection, so you can literally wash it under high-pressure water. At roughly $140, the Leica Edition is about $100 more than the standard Ultra. For that, you get the zoom ring, the M-series design, and the exclusive filters. If you're a photography purist, this is the one to get. It's officially on sale in China now, with a global launch teased for early 2026. What do you think? Is the zoom ring a game changer? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.